Hi, I'm Shane and I live on a farm. Today, we're going to harvest soybeans and I'm going to show you how it's done. Come on, let's go. In the fall, soybeans change from the dark green of summer to deep brown. They're ready for harvest. Every plant has pods, and every pod has mature beans. We harvest soybeans at the combine. It's a really big machine. It has huge wheels. The big diesel engine has a lot of power. These pulleys and belts drive the moving parts that do the harvesting. The cab is really cool. The farmer and operator is Paul, and he's in the driver's seat. He runs all the controls and makes sure everything is working. Gauges and the screens let him know what's going on. This screen shows the field he's on and how much it's producing. The combine drives through the field and cuts the bean stalks. They go into the machine where the tiny beans are separated from the pods. The clean beans go into a big tank on top of the combine. The tank can be emptied into a truck, a wagon, or a grain cart. Then the beans are hauled to a farm or a storage bin in town. Beans are a big crop in Minnesota. They're made into feed for livestock. They're also made into hundreds of food products for humans. Soybean oil is used in salad dressing, margarine, and many other foods. There's even soy milk for people who can't drink cow's milk. Beans are also used in lots of plastics, and even made into soy diesel, a fuel for diesel engines. Thanks for watching, and remember, even though beans are little, they're a big part of Minnesota farms.